This is your extreme weather outlook for this Friday, February 7th. I'm meteorologist Daniel Kaiser. We're still tracking a storm along the east coast that was responsible for Thursday's severe weather. Today it's producing heavy snow in New England and strong winds along the east coast. We're also watching rain and snow in the northwest, and that eventually becomes a snowstorm for the upper Midwest this weekend. But we still do have that system again producing some heavy snow in portions of New England and some strong winds along the east coast as we go throughout the day on Friday. Meanwhile, we are watching our next system starting to move into the Pacific Northwest. That will eventually work its way eastward and become a localized winter storm across portions of the upper Midwest as we head towards Saturday night and Sunday. But through 7 p.m. on Sunday, we could see an additional quarter inch of rain in Boston. But it's going to be the snowfall tallies in portions of New England that we are watching. Over a foot additional snow possible for areas like Burlington and Caribou over the next day or so. We do have numerous winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories in place across the Northeast, stretching actually all the way down to northern Mississippi. But we are also watching those wind concerns stretching from Florida all the way to the Northeast. In fact, we do have a high wind warning in place in New York City as we go into Friday afternoon and evening. Wind gusts over 50 miles per hour possible and maybe up to 50 miles per hour in areas like Philadelphia and Boston. Meanwhile, taking you to the Pacific Northwest, we do have flood watches still in place across the Seattle area. In fact, we do have some rivers that are in flood stage, and we are watching for the potential of landslides as well. We could see an additional quarter to half an inch of rain, Seattle and Portland over the next few days, and we'll be watching the snow, especially at higher elevations, feet of snow possible through the next few days with numerous winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories in place. And again, that becomes our next localized snowstorm across portions of Minnesota, Iowa, Wisconsin, and South Dakota as we go towards Saturday night into the day on Sunday.